भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Hello little learners, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. In today's video class, we will be learning Unit 5, Travel, Chapter number 5, A Trip to Kerala, in which we are going to learn O sound digraph, phonic sound digraph, in which we are going to read this poem, Mouse Got an Ouch on the Couch. So are you all ready? Let's start. In my previous video, I had already told you that digraphs are the phonic sounds that makes two-letter one sound. Two-letter makes one sound. Here also we will be learning about digraph O-U. O. How to speak O. Ow. Mouse. Ow. Mouse got an ouch on the couch. Come on, let's start. There once was a mouse who lived in the ground of a house. He was heading south, trying to get out. When he saw the mouth of our cat meow, he turned and ran smack into a couch and begins to pout, ow, ow. Now let's try together. There once was a mouse who lived in the ground of a house. He was heading south, trying to get out. When he saw the mouth of our cat meow, he turned and ran smack into a couch and begins to pout, ow, ow. All right? Come on, now you try. There once was a mouse who lived in the ground of a house. He was heading south, trying to get out. When he saw the mouth of our cat meow, he turned and ran smack into a couch and begins to pout, ow, ow. Learners, I'll be sharing you this page of phonic digraph O sound words, and you have to write all these words along with reading and learning in your 1A number notebook. Alright, you have to read, learn and write these words in your 1A number notebook, that is in your English notebook. Come on. Now let's read it out. The first one is cloud. Second is doubt. Third is foul. About. Course. Found. Mouse. Ground. Mon. House. Floor. Fountain. Loud. Mouth. Sound. R. Count. Around. pouch, south. So you have to write all these 20 words in your 1A number notebook. That is your homework of today. Come on, now let's turn the page, come to the next page, and today we will be also learning possessive pronouns. So are you all ready? Let's start. Come on, little learners, let's start possessive pronoun with a small story of Raju. I'll be telling you about Raju. Let's start. Possessive pronouns. This is Raju. Raju is going to school on his bicycle. Here the words his and here the word his is possessive pronoun. Why it is a possessive pronouns and what is the meaning of possessive pronouns? Come on, let's see. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns which tells us about possession or ownership. Possessive pronouns वो pronouns होते हैं जो हमें बताते हैं क्या ownership. This pencil is mine. ये pencil मेरी है. So it is showing the possession और ownership कि इसका owner कौन है? Me, I am. Then they tells us that a particular thing belongs to whom. So mine, yours, his, hers, ours and theirs are possessive pronouns. Alright little learners, possessive pronouns क्या है? Mine, yours, his, hers, ours and theirs. इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Possessive pronoun. Let us learn more about possessive pronoun. The very first example here it goes. This clothes are mine. Mine is possessive pronoun because this pronoun tells us that the cloth belongs to whom. Thus it shows the ownership of the cloth. So mine is possessive pronoun. The next example is that house is hers. In this sentence, hers is a possessive pronoun because this pronoun tells us that the house belongs to her. Thus, it shows the ownership of the house. So, hers is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns do not depend on noun. Remember this, possessive pronouns noun पे depend नहीं करते. So this pronouns can be used without a noun and the sentence make a complete sense. Yes बच्चों, हम possessive pronouns को बिना noun forms के भी लिख सकते हैं. Let us see few of the example. I saw a new bicycle. Is it yours? मैंने एक न्यू बाइसिकल देखी, क्या वो तुम्हारी है? Observe that the possessive pronoun here is yours. Okay? Possessive pronouns is yours. Does not depends on the noun. That is bicycle. In this sentence, yours, the possessive pronoun is used without a noun and it makes a complete sense. I saw a bicycle. Is it yours? Alright, then this book is new. It is his. His is possessive pronoun here and it shows the possession. We are asking in this sentence we are asking like this book is yours. We are asking a question. Observe it. This book is new. Is it his? Observe this very nicely. Here the word book is owned by a boy and it is possessive pronouns. However, it again does not depend on the noun in the sentence. It is his, make complete sense of its own. Alright learners, note that possessive pronouns like hers, his, theirs, etc. are written without apostrophe before or after s. हम apostrophe नहीं लगाते his, her में. Alright? A possessive pronoun do not depends on a noun. So if we use it without a noun, it comes after the nouns. Alright? अगर हम इसे बिना noun के use करते हैं तो ये noun के बाद लगते हैं. As for example, I met a friend of mine. I met a friend of mine. Here observe that the possessive pronoun mine does not depend on the noun friend, and so it comes after the noun friend. Alright? Now let us see another example. He is cousin of hers. He is cousin of hers. Here also, if you observe, the possessive pronoun hers comes after the noun cousin. Alright? He is cousin of hers. So this is how a possessive pronoun works. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that shows the ownership or the position of things belonging to a person. Alright, come on, now let's do this exercise of chapter number 5, that is friendship. Come on, fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronouns. Choose the best. Come on, let's start. The very first one is, will you please give the ball back? It is mine. क्या तुम ये बॉल वापस करोगे? ये मेरी है. We are showing the belonging of the ball and we are saying it is mine. Then let's do the second one. My cycle is black but yours is blue. Yes, you all are correct. Yours is blue. Then this pen is yours. You forgot it here. This pen belongs to you and you forgot it here. So this pen is yours. Then I could find my book, but Shobit and Tia could not find theirs. Whenever we are talking about someone else, we will write theirs. Whenever we are talking about ours, like person included myself means a group of person जिसमें मैं भी included हूँ. So I will be saying ours. We के लिए we use ours. You के लिए we use yours. He के लिए his. She के लिए hers. Alright? Likewise. Now let's see this one. I think those blocks are ours. ये block हमारे हैं, in which I include myself. So this block belongs to ours. ये block हमारे हैं. Now they live in the blue house. The house is theirs. They live, वो रहते हैं, तो ये house उनका है. हम नहीं रहते, मतलब मैं नहीं रहती, मैं किसी और के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. So I'll be saying theirs. Look, the gardener is leaving. The water house is his. Then your handwriting is neater than mine. Alright, so this is how we had completed the possessive pronouns as well. I hope today's lesson is worthwhile and you all understood what is possessive pronouns and how to use the digraph OU sound words. And if you face difficulty while solving this exercise, feel free to ask me. I'll be there to help you. That's all for today. Bye. Thank you and namaskar. Keep studying, little learners. And thank you so much.